The 2024 GMC Sierra HD AT4X, first ever off-road extreme AEV edition for GMC Heavy Duty, is the ultimate pickup truck for off-road enthusiasts. This new model boasts impressive features and capabilities that will make it stand out in the market. The 2024 GMC Sierra HD AT4X features an AEV, American Expedition Vehicles, package, which includes a lift kit, Fox shocks, and 35-inch mud terrain tires. This combination provides unmatched ground clearance and an incredible off-road experience. Under the hood, the Sierra HD AT4X is powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel V8 engine that delivers an impressive 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission that provides smooth shifting and excellent power delivery. The interior of the Sierra HD AT4X is designed to provide comfort and convenience to the driver and passengers. The cabin features premium materials and finishes, including leather upholstery and wood accents. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display, navigation, and smartphone integration. One of the standout features of the Sierra HD AT4X is its advanced off-road technology. The truck comes equipped with a suite of features designed to enhance its off-road capabilities. This includes an off-road camera system that provides a 360-degree view of the truck's surroundings, hill descent control, and an electronic locking rear differential. In addition to its impressive off-road capabilities, the Sierra HD AT4X also boasts a payload capacity of up to 3,979 pounds and a towing capacity of up to 35,500 pounds. This makes it one of the most capable pickup trucks in its class. Overall, the 2024 GMC Sierra HD AT4X, first ever off-road extreme AEV edition for GMC Heavy Duty, is an exceptional pickup truck that delivers impressive off-road capabilities, advanced technology, and excellent performance. If you're an off-road enthusiast looking for a truck that can handle the toughest terrain, the Sierra HD AT4X is the perfect choice.
Thanks for watching. Give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.